Are you ready to get the monkeys off your back?
Yes!
When we do get these monkeys off, our performance and productivity improves at work. We have our well-being optimized. Greater confidence, better leadership, better relationships, greater peace of mind. What are you looking at? Engaging 150 HR professionals, I had the privilege of sharing the monkeys off your back message. A unique blend of humour, storytelling and actionable strategies designed to empower audiences to thrive. How many of you here could relate to at least one of these monkeys on your back at some point this year? How many of you here can see any of these monkeys on the backs of your staff? Together, we tackled key challenges facing workplaces today. Who would like to share their biggest monkey?
Mine is probably Tough Tyson.
And explored practical tools to build resilience, boost confidence, and create thriving workplace cultures. Do you have 10 minutes a day? If you don't, you haven't got a life. Took me outside and absolutely blasted me. Talk about feedback on the job. I was gutted. Are you ready to get the monkeys off your back?
Yes!